Good morning, online family. It's a beautiful fall. It's Sunday morning, 8 a.m. And in Korean culture, during the season of fall, we read. What did you say, Simba? We read. So, at Olympic Korean Church, our youth and we've been reading the book Steps to Christ. That's right, Steps to Christ. And past 3 months, we finished the book and we are here to celebrate. You know, I've asked my youth what we could do. And in Korean culture, when you finish a book, there is a culture that is called 책거리. What 책거리 is, after the book is finished, you gather the people who was part of that book reading and you have a big party, a book party. So after a book party, and you eat yummy food and then you talk about the food. So I've asked the youth, what would you like to have? And our youth said they would like to have KFC. Not Kentucky Fried Chicken, but Korean fried chicken. So here on this Sunday morning, I have decided to do so, to pack some Korean fried chicken and deliver it to our youth. All right, good job, youth, on finishing the book. We'll see you soon. Simba, say hi. Simba, say hi. Say hi, Simba. All right. So right now I am on my way to pick up Korean fried chicken, KFC. You know, in the United States, Korean fried chicken is known for being very expensive, and I don't think the budget I have allows me to pay for that expensive KFC. So I am trying to share with you, YouTube, how to enjoy affordable Korean fried chicken in the US. So this is a tip that I'm trying to share with you. So follow along and learn how to do the recipe in the most affordable way. So here I am at Ralph's. I have ordered a 100-piece fried chicken and I could already smell it outside of the store. They're frying it away, 9 in the morning. All right, let me go pick it up. Let's go. Waiting for our fried chicken being fried right there, right there. Freshly fried. And we are gonna take it home and make it. Thank you. Here is the recipe. The 100-piece chicken from Ralph's, the Golden Goodness, to-go box, the knife, and then the board, and then the sauce dipper, the paper towel to clean. Here's the magic. The soy garlic sauce, soy garlic spicy sauce, and this is the jajang sauce and paper towel for me to get cleaned up. First, we need to clean the board. So get the wet paper towel and clean the board thoroughly. Nice and clean. Now you get the soy sauce and you brush them on. Brush them on. All right, here's the soy garlic goodness. Hopefully it'll be yummy. Okay, put the temperature 350 degrees, and then we do convection, true convection mode, and we'll put our garlic soy chicken. How does it look like? Hey, can you open the oven for me?
Will it hurt me?
Yeah, oven. Open.
Will it hurt me?
Open.
Will it hurt me?
No. And let's put them in. We are going to air fry it. All right. Are you ready? This last batch is the JJAPPA chicken. JJAPPA chicken that is pretty getting big on YouTube. So you get the JJAPPA sauce and you smear it on the fried chicken, and we're going to air fry this batch again in the convection oven. All right, hopefully it'll turn out good. Yummy. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, golden brown. Look at all those garlics. There's a spicy one up here. One more minute. All right, spicy batch. All done. Garlic is still working on it. Spicy batch, all done. Now the jajang batch going into the oven for the second air frying. All right, let's cook. Finally, the soy garlic with tons of garlic is done, ready to go. I'm sorry, Simba, not for you. And it's gonna go into our church kids to-go box. And let's chop it. So I think I have mastered the art. What you do is you grab some big slices like these, put it down, and then make sure you hit it hard, nice and clean. See that? Nice katsu size. Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Nice. Wings. 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 Now it's ready to go out. Enjoy, you guys. Bye.